How to fix Wi-Fi icon grayed out on iPhone. So what we can simply do is we can scroll from the upper right part, and after scrolling from that will get to see a lot of option there. We can simply turn on our airplane mode for 10 seconds, and after that we can turn it off again. And if after that we can now go back to our settings, and after going back in our settings we will go in our an option of Wi-Fi, and we have to make sure to turn it on. Here it is turned on. We can turn it off and turn it on again if it's not working. And if that doesn't help, we can go in our screen time, and we will click on content and privacy restriction. We have to make sure that this option is turned off, and after making sure that it is turned off, we can go back now. And after going back we can get check, and if not, then we can come in settings again. And after coming in settings we can now go in general, and after going in general we can click on transfer or reset iPhone, and we can simply click on reset all settings. And after resetting all of our settings, our Wi-Fi icon grayed out on iPhone will be solved easily.